house, Venny! Hello! Oh, we're going to Samay! Asa naman po eh? Oh, this is mortar and pestle by our sexy Lyra. Our photographer for the day.
Okay naman na, ano pa, luto na to tanan karon, relax sa taon ng hapon.
Oh, so okay ra po. Sige, maipa.
Pero napamagusakto ba? Mga kanang. Di, ang lutuan na lang tanan karon, inito na lang nila. Di ba kay duha man dapat ang lutuon karon.
Food for today is something about pork and something about chicken. With vegetables.
Pwede ra good line, makasave ka sa imong Bluetooth line.
Okay, thank you so much for the sponsors. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Na-feel nga na ako kung sa yung lasa ni.
No?
Kasi next chi.
Memory sense. Tama ba? Taste. Na-remember na ko ang taste. Memory sense. Like an arrow in the blue sky.
Prepare tanan. Sa man. Prepare tanan.
Gonna do?
Soup.
What are you gonna do, Lai?
Mag-set up og fire.
Oh, let's find it out. Fire!
Hindi ko
Bulto.
Bali.
Alright, so this is how you make fire from the butane.
Ay, napani.
Another maniniyot of the day. Hi! Onion killer is here. Yeah? Wow. I'm sorry, sister.
Why like this?
What can you say?
Ay, pabor. Ay, pabor.
Nangagita kayo na sa Mindanao Butcher ba? Chi, nangagita sa Mindanao Butcher ganina, Chi. Layo ka ayo. This is how you chop onions Filipino way. Don't use any chopping board. Yeah. And this is how you marinate the samgyeopsal.
Ana lang.
Yeah, just tansha. There you go. Saan ka pupunta, madam?
I'm gonna wash the ribs.
Aww. Is that your ribs? Are you gonna put? Why are you gonna put
Mo na ang lami. Humo kayo na.
Oh, so the lasa will become like aslom or yogurt.
Walay effect.
I'm wanna ang plain.
Apa ba tayo green? Asa man ni? Green nga inani.
Green na patatas?
Dili green nga sudlanan. Duha ni.
Wala
Naka-layer
na.
yung isa. Mura na yan.
Wow. Lamas-lamasin mo, ma'am. So, medium. What's the next? Small, medium.
Extra small, medium ako.
Lalo. Di ba dapat onion na makahilak? Dili agong.
Kung talent, ganong ahos ramang ko. Ano? Uy, ang mga... Mapunsa man na siya, mag-order lang daw na siya sa Happy Chon. Order ko sa Happy Chon sa Food Panda ba yun? I-slice lang po ang
Claire, can you explain each of the green leaves?
This is coriander.
And
It's a Mexican coriander.
Okay ra.
Leaf.
smells good.
Yes.
Good for
Citrusy.
chicken.
Usually for salads, for chicken.
It's a bola. It's a moment yung mga dulaan na totoo na bata-bata. Mga bracelet na ani.
Ala, oy. Uy,
Oh,
oh my God, kahumot. Sana.
what's that?
Sana.
Yeah.
Yes. Hi, Korean.
Coriander. Korean.
Korean.
From the South Korean.
Ang coriander baka di kag Korea sa sige na. Nagtaba na.
Bumuta sa coriander. Oh, first time! Ta-da-da-dan! Very first time to churba the cabbage murderer. Yeah! Alright. Whoa. Whoa, nice. Yeah. Whoa. Kong! Guys, lamin siya i-adobo chi. Wow. Okay ba? Hindi nasunog, madam?
Alit magsabon, ako lang ang nainitong sabon.
Na ako'y kuan, body ko something.
Wow. Mabilis ni?
Very lisod.
Oh. Oh my god. It's time to chop it. Wow.
Pero ikuan pa ni, lutuan pa ni. Wala lang ko'y kalutuan dyan. Benny,
Wow.
Benny. Nasa to akong kuan.
My favorite, guys. This one, oh. Wow! Favorite! Wow. 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 What's happening, Larry?
Para kuan na, dili na magkuan. Low torch na lang.
Oh, paladadli.
Para humala.
The baby back ribs with yogurt. Oh my gosh. I can't wait for the finished product, guys. Are these?
These are seashells.
So what's your favorite?
My favorite is...
Make it fast.
Ooh, this marble. I found it.
No, that's not a shell.
I like this.
Which
Wait,
one?
where's the shell again that I found? And that one, that's a glass.
Where?
Okay, there it is. You see it? Yeah.
Ah, good.
So pretty. What is that?
Cinnamon.
Oh no.
Sige.
Whoa. Whoa. With Coke?
Asa man?
May cinnamon. Gamay. Okay, gamay.
I can make it right. Wow. It's killing me. Right. Good. Lyra is doing her best to fight the monster. Wow! Fire!
Ay, ang kuan, butter, patatas.
Wow.
Ang
Wow.
another
Happy birthday to you! Okay, gulate!
Wala, dry, dili, dry.
Oh! Okay, happy birthday na lang! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Kungkung! Alright!
Paana pa. Ay, ayo. Oh my gosh, may
Okay. Okay, go! Blakati ka po! Yeah! Alright!
Kinami ang rice.
Yeah, lamin ang rice ni Chi nga ano. Lamin ang rice. Wow! Chicken! And it's banana! Alright!
Happy birthday.
Thank you guys for coming and for efforting. Is that your favorite risotto? Char.
Amazing kayo kay ni Sige na naka-flow siya.
Yes! Kaya sige natin Kungkung, what's your favorite?
Wish jud siya. Ay, darati oh.
There's no spoon.
Here's my friend Larry from high school. He's doing something. And the beach is so nice. Look at the beach, guys. Very nice.
Sa wala ni sa kalasaman sa dito una.
So virgin pa yun niya, untouched.
Yes.
Wow.
Nako din mga monkeys gani.
Monkeys? Wala na yung monkeys dun. Tao na.
Pagkuan na.
Wala kagligo no.
Hey, we're going to the beach.
Wala katina.
Wow. Grabe ka sila.
Tao dito dapita.
King.
What happened?
Here ka muna, Tito. Ano muna?
Ha?
Here ka lang ba? Mag-ano muna? Nagkakati ni Kio. Wow. Welcome to Welcome to where? So we have here flowers, the seashore. Wow, very nice. Let's find out. Whoa. And that's the beach. Wow! The waves. Whoa. Alright.
Ha?
We are the scavengers. The social scavengers. Hi! Whoa!
Palay kamatis niya, carrots lang.
Whoa.
Di pa nga naman nagkuhan. Vinaigrette.
Ay, katong last time. Yabot yan naman nuts na.
Pwede.
Or dili na. Ano
Pwede
yung
na.
hindi gawas?
Walnuts so fun. Ako na, kailangan Tuyok pa dyan na siya. Makakuha. Blue siya, lure.
Murag blur ang background.
Blue man gud siya, lure. Di siya katungkan ba? Okay pa siya nga fire.
Oh my gosh, nag-live ang BTS do!
Wala tayo tong mo.
Benny! Hi guys! Look at our... Wala video.